Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be on a new product by the Happy Dotting Company. If you guys have not heard, she came out with a new mold. It's for a pen holder or a bud vase. And it looks like this. This is the mold. It's about like half the size of a rock. The dimensions are 3.2 inches by 1.2 inches in height. And then it has this, which is makes a cavity to put your pen in, which looks like this. This is one I just made that's not painted. It's still drying, as you can see on the top here. But this is one I base coated. And basically, it sits flat on the table. And you could stick a pen in there to hold your pen. I'm going to turn this down to my table so I can show you a better view. I got some made, and I'll show you what the vase in that looks like. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. And that basically just goes in there like that. I'll link in the description a video on how to cast these. It's the same as the rocks and that, but for those that don't know how to make the rocks, I'll link it down there. So basically, this is the pen holder, and it'll hold your pen like this. Let's see if I can get a better angle. You're gonna see my camera stand there. But there you go. Now you can also use this as a bud vase. Let me try and get my camera out of this. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So you can use this as a bud vase as well. And if you order, she's got where it comes with just the mold like this, or you can order it where it comes with 2 of these molds, 3 of these test tube things, and 1 of these templates. And you can order the template by itself. So as far as pricing goes, if you just wanted this mold, it's $15.22 for just the mold. For just the template, it's $7.26. Or if you want to get 2 of these molds, 1 template, and 3 of the vials, it's $30.51. So here's one that I made. And so it would just look like this. It'd be make a really nice teacher's gift, or somebody that works at a desk a lot so that they could find their pen easily. It also could be used as a little bud vase. Now you need to stick something in there because she made it the hole big enough. I mean, you can even fit like a permanent marker in here. It's big enough. But this is just a kneaded eraser. And you need something in there to kind of squish into so that this thing doesn't move around on you. There. And it'll hold that. I only have a fake flower, but if you had a real one. Let me try and scoot it so you can see it a little bit better. So that's what it would look like as a little bud vase. And I also had another idea, which I don't know if the guys might find it silly, but I'll grab a different one because I have that shoved in there. I also made this one. if you have a dowel rod, this didn't have the correct size, but I filed this down so it would fit in here. And you're gonna see my big mess I got over there, but oh well. But you could do, see how tall that is? You could do like a sign for your craft shows. Or you could get a smaller dowel rod and stick it in there and use it for like at a wedding to tell which table you're at. So there's quite a few different possibilities that you could do. Here's the 3 that I made just for preview purposes. If I get a lot of calling for making patterns, I'll make some more patterns for these, but these I just made to demonstrate what different patterns and stuff you could do. She, on her demonstration, did like a Untitled design on one and did like a paint pour on another. I don't do those things, so I just have mandalas. But I thought it was a cute little idea and it would make a nice little Christmas gift for somebody. Plus, you know, if you use these as stands at your craft shows and that, then you could display mandalas on your little signs as well. And then you could sell these as well too. They could be dual purpose. But that's the new mold from the Happy Dotting Company. And they're available now on their website. So go check them out if you'd like to get one. So I forgot to tell you, if you get one of these templates, she had a nice little trick. This is actually the number 3 template for the other stone. It just fits this one nicely as well. But if you cut the center out of this, and I'm going to show you, if you just go along right along the edge here and cut this out. Now, I haven't done this. I just seen her do it on her video, so I figured I would show you guys. Okay, and you cut that center out like that. Then this will fit right over the hole. Here's the hole. And then you can mark your lines really easily on your stone. So that's a neat little trick that I liked. Makes it a lot easier to center this over the top of that hole. So that's all for now. There'll be a new video coming out in the morning like always. But I just wanted to tell you guys about this fantastic new mold if you're interested. So check it out. I'll put a link to the website if you want to order one. And I'll also put a link to the tutorial on making one of the casted stones. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. See ya. Have a great night.